A welcome addition to Anime Studio 6 is the content library. Previously, you had to go to the File menu and import content through the File menu to get content into Anime Studio. You can still do that, but now what we've done is implement the content library, which can be accessed through the upper right-hand corner of the user interface by clicking on the library button. As you can see, the library opens, and I have a number of different directories here, and they have different types of content in them. For example, in Anime Studio Pro, which supports 3D objects, you can double click on the 3D objects folder and then select something in the folder and double click on it, and it's added to the scene. There are a number of different types of content, as I mentioned. For example, audio files. These all come with Anime Studio Pro or Anime Studio Debut, and all you do is you double click on one of those and you can see that there's a representation of the sound in the timeline or in the sequence, or you can see the sound and you can actually drag it back and forth and place it where you want. Some of the content, such as Thunder, are one of our pre-built characters that comes with Anime Studio. It contains different views of the character, and this is useful if you want the character walking forward and then it turns to the side or something like that. What you do is you just select the view that you want. You'll get this dialog automatically for any content that is set up this way. And you simply click the OK button, and then he's also added to the scene, and you can see the bones here. He's rigged and ready to go and ready to be animated. So if you want to close the content library, you can simply click the close button, and then the next time that you open the content library, it will go back to the location that you were at. So that's the content library new to Anime Studio 6. It's very simple, very straightforward, and easy to use.